Right, so I've been busy with this quite a bit. I had to, I decided to make these 1.5 inch spacers. I made 4 of them, right? This is probably how it's going to be fastened to the fork. This is just a mock-up to see, just to see how far I can go with the dimensions, right? See there? I think I'll go with that. And you see the spacers, 1.5 inch there. This, I settled to just make the block 4 inches rather than having it come out to here, just for the sake of finishing it. I just want disc brakes on the front of the bike. That's what's most important. And this, making this to come out here to accommodate a rack, that can happen later on. That's not important now. You can see here on the handlebar, I hope you can see that, but the distance from here to here and here to here is not the same. That's because the handlebar is not straight, and that's why I wanted to do this with those blocks. Those blocks are keeping these in line with the fork, and by doing that I'm going to mark these here once I center them so that I know where the hole is going to go to drill. And then I'll drill the hole, cut the piece, and then it's going to be 2 carriage bolts, one here, going all the way through, and it's going to hold that together. Once that's bolted to the handlebar, then I'll move on to bolting it to the fork with these, right? My idea is just run the piece of wood like that with a steel strap here and 2 holes. So the steel strap will keep the fibers in check, and the pressure will go onto the steel, and the steel will distribute the weight or the pressure more evenly. And these I think are ash. I don't know if that's normal. I know that I cut it down because it was it got infested with some sort of blight, but this was a good piece. I was actually going to use this branch or this shoot to make axe handles, but this is more important right now. So yeah, I'm getting quite a bit done right now. I'm really excited now to get the rotor mounted, so we'll see how it goes. Maybe tomorrow I can get this all cut up and bolted on, get these on, square everything up, then drill the holes on the side here, put 2 8-inch carriage bolts, bolt that up, right? I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't see it, but I can see it. You can see the axle is pretty much in line. You know, the only thing is this is really close to the tire here, and yeah, it's getting done. It's getting done. I'm excited, very excited, very excited. And well, as you can see, I spent $30 carriage bolts. These are 10 inches. I bought 10 of them. I bought these. He didn't have all 1/4 inch, so he gave me some 5/16. You know, those guys never go there, and sometimes you just never have what I need. And luckily, however, I got these for the rotor. They're a lot longer, so I can put the washer spacing in there. So I'm glad for that. And they look like they're great. They're high quality, high strength. So yeah, I'm satisfied with that. Yep, I'm satisfied with that. It's going to be good enough.